Tutorial Part 9 Spot Color Print Preview. RetouchXPress, besides CMYK Live Preview features, supports Spot Color Print Simulation too. On the input panel, the value that you set up as your minimum dot in file will also apply to spot channels. While maximum ink warning downsamples only CMYK total coverage, minimum dot in print can be set independently from process plates. Now I set it to 13%. This sample artwork contains two spot channels. Now we can see the image in default Photoshop view without significant dot gain and hard edges in the highlights. Obviously, we want to find out how they will print with 13% minimum dot in flexo, so we can make necessary corrections before plate making. I turn on Print Simulation now. That's the same checkbox that you can tick from CMYK Print Preview. And now the issues in the highlights become visible. Any dots under the 4th gray level in the file will be lost, and the 5th gray level will print 13%. The dots on plate P376 will break out in the Ps. You can change the single plate preview where the issues are even more visible. So this is really another very useful and unique feature in RetouchXPress. You cannot create such adjustment layers in Photoshop manually.